They got a 775 high-speed large torque motor from online. We're going to test it so we can see the speed of this motor. The size of 775 motor is quite big, but before we test it, we need a DC motor controller. It works from 10 to 50 volts, and the output is from 1 to 12 volts direct current. There are 4 terminals in our controller. 2 for DC output. Later we're going to connect an 775 motor, and the other 2 is for DC input. This is negative output, and this is positive output, and this is positive input, and the last one negative input. We can adjust the speed of 775 motor by twisting the control knob of the motor controller clockwise to increase the speed and counterclockwise to reduce the speed of the motor. And I put also a 12 volts female plug for the DC input. And I put also a wire in output with an alligator clip. Red for positive and black for negative or ground. Then we connect the red alligator to the positive terminal of the motor. Look closely, the SODIV having red dot indicator and black to negative. And then we're going to use a 12 volt DC power supply with 5 ampere. But before testing it, we need to cover first the DC motor controller. Before plugging the power supply, make sure that the controller knob is off. Now we're going to test it, but I put first a tape so we can see how fast the motor turns. And we are ready to test it. I twist the knob for a quarter of its volume and it's already quite fast. And I try it for 50% of the volume and you begin to hear a humming sound from the motor. When I try to set the knob at 75%, the tape is gone and I can feel the torque. We're going to listen the humming sound of the motor without a tape. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye!